There has been considerable amount of controversy regarding hernia mesh. On TV, we see a huge amount of ads, and as a result, patients on a weekly basis, we see at least one patient inquiring about the safety of hernia mesh. I can assure you that the hernia mesh that is used not only by us, but throughout the country is safe and FDA approved. Despite what you hear from the commercials, which are basically based on ambulance chasing attorneys who are trying to get cases and use scare tactics to have patients feel that they're not getting adequate care. I can assure you that the meshes that are being used, as we use at our facility, are approved and accepted. Hernia surgeons do not have any special advantage over anyone else. We have to go through typical FDA approvals, which are very stringent, and there is not a problem with the mesh. There may be issues that relate to the hernia surgery. As with any surgery, there's of course going to be pain, and there are issues regarding whether or not the operation will be successful, but the issue is related to the surgery and not to the mesh. So the issue is that if you're going to have surgery and your doctor feels that mesh is necessary, you have no fear regarding the use of hernia mesh. It's safe and it's approved.